Hi everybody! In this lesson, we will continue the manipulation of the image in an HTML page. I will open an existing HTML page and then proceed on adding the border property to the IMG tag as shown. Border equals 4px. Save the HTML page and load it in the browser to see the result. In order to align the picture to the middle of the page, add the P tag before the image tag as shown. P align equals center. And after the image tag, add the paragraph close tag /P. Now it is your turn to create an HTML page to display 3 images. The first one is cropped to 200 by 200 pixels and aligned left with 3 pixels border. The second one is cropped to 300 by 300 pixels and aligned center with 5 pixels border. The third one is cropped to 400 by 400 pixels and aligned right with 7 pixels border. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and do not forget to follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram in order to access to additional educational resources.